Listen carefully. If you don't seize control of your mind right now, it will be hijacked, destroyed, and you'll be lost forever. There's a savage mental hack only the deadliest geniuses ever cracked. Da Vinci wielded it to conquer art, anatomy, and invention all at once. Tesla built machines in his head before touching metal. One forgotten World War II spy escaped death behind enemy lines, armed with nothing but a ruthless mental loop. Here's the brutal truth. This loop was stripped from education on purpose. Why? Because it makes you unpredictable, dangerous, unstoppable. Schools dumb you down with rote drills. Social media chains you with endless scrolling. 99% of people are zombies, running powerful brains on corrupted software. Puppets in a system built to keep you weak. But you can take it back, right now. In the next few minutes, I'll expose 6 forbidden upgrades. The secret intelligence loop, emotional viruses that kill your mind, the cold, lethal state of mental control, and the freaky power to simulate the future before it even happens. This isn't a trick. It's a total mental takeover. Pay attention or stay a prisoner forever. Number 1, the intelligence loop they don't want you to use. Most people think intelligence is a straight climb. Learn, apply, succeed. Simple, predictable. But here's the truth they hide. Intelligence is not a ladder. It's a loop. A secret loop designed to evolve your mind relentlessly. A former CIA analyst told me off the record, we didn't train our minds to remember. We trained them to reconstruct, over and over. Picture this. Every idea you get, you don't just use it once, you cycle it, sharpen it, rewrite it in your brain again and again. Like running code through a loop, getting better every cycle. The loop looks like this. Input, interpret, apply, reflect, adjust, repeat. Each turn makes you sharper, faster, more dangerous. Here's the truth. Intelligence isn't how much you know. It's how fast you cycle through what you know. Every mistake, every weird conversation, all fuel for your loop. But here's the catch. If you don't install the loop properly, it just sits there, dormant, useless. And that's where most people lose the game. But what does it actually mean to install this loop? That's our next secret weapon. Number 2, the cold install, building the loop from scratch. Knowing about the loop is easy. Installing it, that's the hard part. Most fail here. They rely on motivation, that flickering flame that dies quickly. They try systems, but quit when things get tough. They never build a ritual, and without ritual, no loop. But you're not most people. Every morning before the world hits, you execute the loop launch protocol, a covert operation on your mind. Step 1, quiet input, 15 minutes. Dive deep into philosophy, strategy, psychology. One idea only. You're downloading raw code. Step 2, interpretation, 5 minutes. Rewrite that idea in your own encrypted words. No quotes, no fluff. Step 3, micro application, all day. Find one way to test it. In conversation, a project, a challenge. Step 4, reflection, night. What did this change about your actions today? Step 5, optimization, weekly. Sunday nights, review 5 to 7 loops. Extract truth, discard the noise. I tried this for 90 days. One idea a day, looped like my life depended on it. Then something terrifying happened. I started predicting decisions before they happened. I felt what would work and what wouldn't. This is the power of the loop, but beware. Unless you kill the viruses that destroy it, none of this matters. Because lurking in your mind are silent killers, emotional viruses that sabotage your loop. Let's expose them next. Number 3, the loop killers, emotional viruses in the mind. Not everyone keeps their loop. Why? Because emotional viruses infect the mind. Shame, comparison, ego. But the worst? The fear of not being enough. These viruses kill the loop silently. Let's get brutal. How many times did you learn something brilliant, but never tried it? Why? Because you feared looking stupid. Because you thought, who am I to try this? Because safety feels easier than growth. That's the virus. The cure? Every night, face yourself and ask aloud, what did I avoid learning today out of fear? Where did ego block my growth? What would my future self beg me to do differently tomorrow? Say it, own it, loop it. This isn't just intelligence anymore. It's freedom. Every loop completed is a piece of your mind reclaimed. Every virus burned upgrades your mental OS. But here's the hard truth. To really own your loop, you must become the loop. Ready for the ultimate transformation? This is where your identity rewires itself. Number 4, becoming the loop, the identity shift. Here's a secret no guru will admit. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your identity. If you still see yourself as someone trying to get smarter, you've lost already. You must become a loop thinker. Write this on a sticky note. Put it on your mirror. Everything teaches me. Everything sharpens me. I am the loop. Say it daily. Before input, after reflection. Then, live it. This isn't a routine. It's your new operating system. Think of your brain not as a container, but as a furnace. Every experience is fuel. Every mistake is metal. Forge yourself relentlessly, quietly, daily. The world won't see it coming. But there's one more edge you need. Mastering the cold, unshakable state of emotional shutdown. Number 5, emotional shutdown, mastering the cold state. You've heard stay calm under pressure. But calm, it's not natural, it's forged. The cold state, surgical, calculated, deadly focused, isn't a gift. It's armor you build. Why do most crack under pressure? Because they never train their nervous system to switch off emotional noise when it counts. Elite performers rehearse detachment. Here's your cold calibration ritual. Step 1. Replay one emotionally charged moment from your day. Confrontation, failure, slip. Step 2. Strip away emotion. Watch it like a distant surveillance camera. Silent, surgical. Step 3. Find the trigger. Ask, what was the rational move? Step 4. Visualize acting with cold clarity next time. Practice until your mind stops reacting and starts calculating. When others panic, you'll plan. When others freeze, you'll move. Become a mental sniper. No wasted bullets. But to truly dominate, you need to hack time itself. Number 6. Mental time travel. Predictive intelligence loop. What if I told you your brain is already simulating the future, but horribly wrong? Every fear, hesitation, overthinking spiral, your brain's poor attempt at future simulation. But here's the game changer. You can hijack this system and program it to simulate high-accuracy future scenarios. That's how genius minds operate. They don't wait for feedback. They simulate feedback loops before reality can catch up. Here's your tactical forecast protocol. Step 1. Pick a decision you're stuck on. Step 2. Write down 3 possible moves. Step 3. For each move, simulate, if I do this, what happens next? Step 4. Ask, if it fails, what will I learn? How do I re-loop? This isn't guessing, it's rapid pattern recognition. Your brain pulls from memory, logic, risk, all in milliseconds. While others wait to react, you're already 3 moves ahead. You stop thinking like a student and start thinking like a chess master. The final evolution, not just running loops, but writing the code of the world through your loops. And that's the real power no one talks about. Now, you have the full map. The loop isn't just a concept, it's a weapon. But remember this, knowledge alone won't save you. The emotional viruses will try to stop you. The old identity will pull you back. The chaos of the world will threaten your cold state. This is why most never make it beyond the starting line. So here's the truth. No one else will tell you. You're not broken. You're just running the wrong program. The intelligence loop they erased, it's still inside you, waiting to be unlocked. But it's not easy. You'll face emotional viruses, doubts, and your own mind trying to keep you small. That's why mastering the cold state and learning to simulate the future aren't just tricks. They're survival tools. They separate the predictable from the unstoppable. If you commit to these 6 forbidden upgrades, you won't just get smarter. You'll become a new kind of mind, cold, calculated, and 2 steps ahead of everyone else. Remember, the world is always watching. But with this loop running quietly beneath the surface, the world will never see you coming. Now it's your move. If you're ready to unlock your mind's full potential and start running the intelligence loop like a strategic genius, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind hacks, and share this video with anyone who needs to break free from the mental chains. Comment below which forbidden upgrade you're going to master first. Let's level up together.